In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your YouTube wrapped in 2025. It's pretty easy to do so. What you need to do is go to Google, type youtube.com/recap. Please make sure that you logged in with the YouTube account, Google account on your Google or browser. As soon as you do that, you're going to see that it's telling me looking for your 2025 YouTube recap. Recap is available in the YouTube app. Although it's telling me that it is available, bear in mind that this is not going to be available for everyone. Since this is December, start of December, it is rolling out to everyone slowly. So if this is not available right now, don't worry about it too much. Eventually, it is going to be available for you. So I'm going to now tap on Open YouTube, and it's going to take me to this YouTube page. And here, under where you see your videos, downloads, movies, clips, badges, this is where you're going to see your YouTube recap or your YouTube wrap. If you're not able to see it right now, just wait for it. It is going to be available eventually. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.